Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Grasshopper, the beginner-friendly coding app by Google. It's an amazing tool for anyone curious about coding, especially those with zero experience. But here's the thing. When you're first starting out, every little detail matters, and sometimes those details can be confusing. One question that pops up a lot is how Grasshopper charges users. After all, nobody wants hidden fees to derail their coding journey. So, let's clear the air. Does Grasshopper charge you per minute? The short answer, no, Grasshopper does not charge you per minute. Phew, right? That's a relief. In fact, Grasshopper is completely free to use. You can download the app on your phone or tablet and start coding right away, without worrying about any ticking clock or surprise bills. But wait, there's more. Here's why Grasshopper's free model is such a game changer. Perfect for beginners. Learning to code can be intimidating, and the last thing you need is financial pressure. Grasshopper removes that barrier, allowing you to experiment and explore coding concepts at your own pace, completely free of charge. Bite-sized lessons. Grasshopper's lessons are designed to be short and engaging, perfect for fitting into your busy schedule. No need to worry about long lectures or expensive courses. With Grasshopper, you can learn in small, manageable chunks whenever you have a few free minutes. Gamified learning. Let's face it, traditional learning can get dull sometimes. Grasshopper keeps things exciting with a gamified approach. You'll earn points, unlock new levels, and solve puzzles as you progress through the lessons. It's a fun and rewarding way to learn, making the whole coding process much more enjoyable. Of course, with all good things, there are a few things to keep in mind. Limited scope. While Grasshopper is fantastic for getting your feet wet in coding, it's not designed to be a comprehensive programming course. Think of it as a great introduction, but if you want to become a coding pro, you'll eventually need to explore more advanced resources. App-based learning. Grasshopper is currently only available as a mobile app. While this makes it convenient for on-the-go learning, it might not be ideal for everyone. Some people prefer a desktop environment for coding, so keep that in mind. Limited interactivity. Because it's a mobile app, Grasshopper has limitations on complex coding projects. You won't be building the next big software with it, but that's not the point. It's about familiarizing yourself with the fundamentals and sparking your coding curiosity. So, here's the verdict. Grasshopper is an absolutely fantastic, free resource for anyone interested in learning the basics of coding. It's a fun, accessible platform that removes the financial barrier to entry. You can learn at your own pace, experiment with different concepts, and see if coding is something you enjoy, all without spending a dime. That being said, it's important to remember that Grasshopper is a stepping stone, not the final destination. If you get hooked and want to take your coding skills to the next level, you'll need to explore other resources and potentially invest in more advanced courses. But hey, that's a good problem to have, right? Grasshopper is an amazing tool to ignite your coding journey, and with its free model, there's no reason not to give it a try. So what are you waiting for? Download the app, start coding, and see where this exciting path takes you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.